Hello foreign friends! Hi, this is JR from JRC Visa Consultancy and Immigration Services, and we're gonna talk about the Philippine Visa and Immigration Fact. Once again, we are actually here in Cebu City, Philippines, right at the heart of the Philippines. On our previous episode, we've talked about the good news of the number of years which was increased to be allowed, which will be accepted by the retirement office. Now, this video is more or less a general information to all of you foreign friends who are our existing clients and our clients in the future. Please do transact only with the JRC active employee only. Why? It came to our attention recently that there was our previous client doing a particular transaction, an ID renewal, which was unfortunately not being processed. Our main goal is to really help you out with your visa application or any visa matters that you have engaged with us. Now, it is our commitment to fully finish it, but then again, there might be possibility that you're still in contact with those former employee of ours that is actually like you're having good relationship already. With that being said, I give full respect to that. But to the event that they already separated from the company, there might be changes on how they handle your particular engagement. We hope that you will actually take this as a general information and spread this to your friends. If you actually encounter those former employee, ask them who is the new in charge, where is the nearest office that we have so that they can actually assist you on your visa and immigration needs. Mind you, we have full respect to them and we have actually our commitment to you. That is why we actually make this as a content so that you will be properly guided. For those foreign friends of ours who have actually some concerns about that, please do let us know. Email us on your customer helpline. You may actually send us a personal message or you may comment on this video so that you will be aware and we will be taking a look at the options for us to move forward and to complete your process. At the end of the day, you are our priority. So with that being said, we'll be seeing you in our next video. Please do like, share, subscribe so that you will be updated with our recent video. Thank you and good day. Bye-bye.